Hi guys, good morning. This is Danish with you. I'm from Pakistan, and I came here for the visit. We visit like many places that was like heart touching and heart touching places, such as like Batumi, Kasbegi, and Ananuri. And there are some temples, caves, and trust me, like these places were very awesome. And like I must say to you all guys, like whoever will be coming, like you must visit these places because this is of an ancient time, and it's like I can say like it's thousands and thousands times that like it's an awesome place. And like a group guide, Mr. Muhammad, come. Trust me, this guy, he worked very hard, very supportive, very cooperative, and trust me, he's awesome. And please, to get the packages, very cheap package. It's on Groupon Holidays, and the way they guide us, the way they treat us, the way they visited our places, and like it was very awesome. So thanks a lot, guys. Cheers.